What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and you're back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Today I just have a quick little ends meet grocery haul that I want to show you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. On this side of the table, we've got an 18 pack of extra large eggs and some old folks Purnell's Old Folks Country sausage patties, breakfast patties. We have some waffles because I don't know why I like these, but I do. Behind that, we have a bag of sugar. That's a 10-pound bag of sugar. And in front of that, we have some large shrimp. These are already peeled and deveined with the tail off of them. And this is Curtis and my husband love to eat the shrimp, so y'all know I'm allergic. So behind that, I also got some of the Gorton's crunchy breaded whole fillets, 2 bags of those because they like those as well. Then I also grabbed 2 of these ground chuck ground beefs. This is going to be for a meal that we're making here in just a second. Well, 2 meals, because I'm gonna make a big pot of chili for some Frito pie that we're going to have. And then for tonight, I'm going to do some chicken enchiladas with a chili over the top. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos as well. Well, that video. We've got a few Roma tomatoes here. Y'all know I love to eat these salads. And we've got some classic Caesar salad, as well as Field of Greens salad and some 50-50 blend with the baby spinach. Also a couple of ground turkeys. Same, using that for right now for the meal here in a few minutes. We've got some Flamin' Hot Cheetos. My husband loves these. Some sour cream and onion and regular Ruffles. Some green leaf lettuce over here. And then for the chicken enchiladas I explained earlier, I'm gonna just do it the quick way and use this mesquite barbecued rotisserie chicken. We've got some 2% milk and some almond milk, as well as some Catalina dressing for salad. There are your Fritos for the Frito pie for in a few minutes. Some nacho cheese Doritos and 2 loaves of bread. Just a little quick grocery haul. If you'd like to be part of the Juice Squad, all you have to do is click the subscribe button, and it will notify you every time we upload a new video. We will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Oh wait, I didn't tell y'all, my tomatoes, my cherub tomatoes for my salads. Okay, yeah, now bye.